Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer y to the power of 3x, x to the power of 3y, y to the power of 4, x squared, y squared, x to the power of 4. They are degree number 4. So we can use about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vx. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by x. This one we have number 1 dx over dx multiplied by v, and this is about the product rule of the derivative. So we can see that this one we can simplify and we have like this, and this one we can put number 1 go outside. That means we can eliminate number 1. Now we need to change y into vx. Next, this one we need to transform into this one. Next, we need to simplify x to the power of number 4 for the both sides. So we have like this. Next, we divide both sides by this one. Next, I will put v go to the right. Next, we can do common denominator. Next, this one that should be about 2v to the power of 4 minus 6v squared. So in this situation, this one minus 2v to the power of 4, so we just have v to the power of 4. This one minus negative 6v squared, so we have positive 6v squared, and this one we simplify and we have like this. Now I will put this one go to the left, dx and x go to the right, so we have like this. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we need to concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. So we have like this. So this one we change for u. This one with dv we change for du over number 2. So the integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of x. Next, about phi, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by x. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.